Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add Aliexpress reviews to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Aliexpress reviews. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you will have it, click login. Now here in applications, you want to go to search and write Aliexpress. And you're going to see the Aliexpress reviews. Let's create a widget. Now you get the URL here and you just want to paste it yours. Then you're going to select layout, review, and you can like edit as much as you want. Heading, also sorting, most recent, filters. And then when you have it, click save. Right after you got it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise version. Let's copy the code now. And when we have it, let's just simply go to our editing website, click like add a spacer or whatever, and just click on the code, the HTML code here, and just paste the code. That's it. And just wait, and voila, here we have our Aliexpress reviews. So this is how we can add Aliexpress reviews in 3dcart. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.